Thank you, Rajesh ji. Let me introduce Fronius a little bit. Fronius is an Austrian company and we are into welding solutions, mainly manual welding machines, robotic welding machines, automations. So today we are participating in truck, trailer and Tyre Expo to help this industry to uh, enhance their weld quality, enhance their weld productivity, thus improving overall production capacity of their units. So today we brought one technology which is on live case showcase. We call it Velo technology. Velo is nothing but a velocity assistant where you can produce very high quality weldings even you have a semi-skilled or unskilled weld person. For example, you can see these weld samples. This is a 100% manual welding done by one of our receptionists. We never had a welding torch held in her life, and first time she welded, you can see the very nice weld quality. And I think this is a very apt for the specifically commercial vehicle industry, specifically who are manufacturing tippers or tipper trailers or trailers where you have a lot of long seams to be welded. And this technology is absolutely helpful and solving many problems of theirs. So this is one. Apart from that, we also provide normal MIG-MAG welding machines which can help to better weld economics. For example, how to produce high quality welding, yet your welding cost per meter can be controlled. So that's what we wanted to showcase and demonstrate to this truck and trailer industry specifically through this exhibition. Yes, Fronius is typically very well known in automotive world. For example, you take a two-wheeler, four-wheeler industry where in Rajasthan specifically or Haryana or Gurugram or even the Gujarat and Maharashtra market, we are very strong. Wherever manual welding is there, wherever robotic welding is there, Fronius is always preferred because of the three reasons. One is perfect weld quality. Second is robustness of our equipment. I mean, these equipments are even harsh industrial environments of India. They should perform. And third is the technical support provided by our team to our customers so they can enhance their weld quality and productivity. Tell you the truth, like for example, component industry. If we talk about component industry, so we are greatly present with the components, like wherever they want to produce components in numbers. So for example, we have customers in Jamshedpur, we have customers in axle manufacturing, and we have some customers in commercial, wheel manufacturing or cabin manufacturing, we are strong. For a trailer or bodybuilding market, we have a few success stories. For example, we have a Black Diamond as our customer, we have a Satrec as our customer, we have a Vasan Fabricators as a customer, and they are already benefiting good weld quality, and moreover they are benefiting the lower weld costing, and thus we want to promote this message to all other industry. Of course, as on today, if I talk, our penetration is little smaller, but we definitely want to increase our penetration in this industry in coming forward.